How to automate YouTube uploads with n8n. So to do that, you just need to set up your workflows on n8n. I have in here the start trigger. I have in here the get rows for the list entry. So for this will get the actual title for that. And then click onto this plus icon and search right here for the load of YouTube. You can also connect Google Drive right here is to get the actual data or the actual video from there. On this case, let's proceed to upload videos. So click on this upload video. Now from in there, you can proceed to add right here options. Select in here the credential that you want. Resource is video, operation is upload. For the title, let's choose right here the actual ID or the name. Then for the region code, you can choose a default. I'll head over and then just choose right here United States. Or we have in here other options if you want to as well. On my case, let's proceed to choose right here one. Now enter right here the binary data field. And for this case, just head over and then select credential. Then get right there the data from direct onto your YouTube. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.